My name is Djakaria. I come from Guinea. I want to learn English to improve my English skills because I'm a professional, and for my career I'm a legal and a tax consultant. For day-to-day work I need really English because always in touch with English speakers. I'm studying a general English course. Right now I'm C1. I just moved to C1 that is 2 weeks ago. I feel more confident when I'm speaking, listening, or when I'm pronouncing some word in English, and I can notice everyday improvement, so I'm happy. After graduating, I would like to practice more my English in my career because I'm coming from a French country. Basically, we don't speak English every day, but for my job, yes, I would like really to continue practicing it so that I can keep the same level. Also, maybe for the future, I would like to pursue some maybe international opportunities. Je pense que c'est une grande opportunité de venir à Londres à Speak Up pour apprendre l'anglais. Ça pourra vraiment vous permettre d'améliorer votre compréhension de la langue française et dans le cadre de vos activités professionnelles.